Hi YouTube, it's Olivia Nita and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today I'm gonna be doing my makeup. It's just gonna be a soft, quick and easy beat. I'm gonna be doing my makeup today, y'all. And then also I'm gonna be doing a get to know me tag because I haven't did one. The last one I did was probably like, I think like a year ago. I think like last year or something like that. Like a year ago. So I'm gonna be doing an updated get to know me. Don't forget to like, comment on this video, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm about to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so I am gonna do a giveaway. Oh, shit. The first question is, how old are you? I am now 23 years old. I just turned 23. The next question is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is any shade of blue, y'all. I love the color blue. Like anything that got to do with blue. Any shade of blue or anything blue. Like, I love blue. Okay, so the next question says, what is your real name? Y'all, it be so funny when people ask me this question, because I really do hate saying my real name, because my real name is complicated to say for a lot of people. Like, I get people that know how to pronounce it, but my name is complicated to say for people, and then when they hear it, my name is not a common name. So when they hear my name, it's like, what? If you're watching this video, here's exactly what you better do when I tell you my real name. My real name is Quantanita, and that's all y'all need. The next question is, what made you decide to make a YouTube channel, y'all? I watched YouTube a lot when I was little. And I just was like, I like doing YouTube, and I was just like watch other YouTubers that I liked watching, and I was just like, damn, I want to be doing that. Like, you know, I know how to do hair, I know how to do makeup, you know, I know things that can help other people. So I was just like, you know, I want to do YouTube. And I literally always wanted to do YouTube since I was like 16. Like, that's when I could remember myself like, yeah, I want to be a YouTuber. Like, the next question is, are you single? Yes, I am single. The next question is, how many siblings do I have? I just have 2 siblings. They're my 2 big sisters. I'm the baby. The next one is, what's my dog name? Look at his ass. My dog name is, and y'all probably just heard him, but my dog name is Jet, J-E-T, Jet. Don't ask me why I named him Jet. I just like the name. It was either gonna be Jet or Smoke, and he answered to Jet. Like, my little cousin got to call him Jet, 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 and he just answered the shit. The next question is, straight, bi, or gay? I would consider myself a no label. You know what I'm saying? I consider myself a no label. I don't have no label, okay? I just label myself as no label. I like what I like. Where do you see yourself in 3 years from now? So 3 years from now, I see myself in my bag like a motherfucker. Like I always see myself. Like, I really want to be, okay, no, let me stop playing. Everything that got to do with me, like my money, I see that shit like just in place everywhere where it needs to be at, like taking off, popping off, like my YouTube popping off, my hair business popping off, like everything. Like, I want to be selling hair. Like, this is just where I see myself in 3 years. Like, this is what I want to be doing in 3 years. This is what I hope to be doing. So that's where I see myself in 3 years. Like, just like making my money in my bag, traveling, having fun. Kid free, y'all. I don't plan on having no kids right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I know my friends really want me to have kids, but I'm sorry. I can't see myself having a little one, you know. I got a niece on the way. That's enough right now. The next question is, what was your worst job? My worst job was, where is my stuff? Like, I ain't even, look, I'm not halfway through with the questions and ain't halfway through my makeup. But my worst job, I could say, probably was HelloFresh, yes. I used to work at this job called HelloFresh, y'all. And it was like in this cooler, like the whole warehouse was cold as hell. Cold as hell. We had to work 10-hour shifts. Only got a 45-minute lunch. Like, really? 45 minutes? Who does 45 minutes of lunch? Like, just put an hour on that hoe. Like, I just couldn't handle that job no more. It was just like too cold. The managers was like watching your every move. Like, they would literally be outside. Like, we on break and our lunch and stuff. Like, literally a couple of minutes before it's time for us to come back, they'll be standing outside telling us like to come on, breaks over, lunch over, let's get back in. Like, do y'all not understand? It's cold as hell in there. Like, what the hell? I saw my chance to get out that job and I took it, and I never went back to that job. That was my worst job ever. Like, I would never ever work at that job again. Out of all of my ex jobs, I would never go back to that job. Okay, so the next question said, where was you born? I was born in Dallas, Texas, born and raised. It says, what's your favorite drink? Alcohol and non-alcoholic. My favorite alcoholic beverage is Don Julio. Like, y'all, I love me some tequila. I don't know why, but I love me some tequila. I love Don Julio, y'all. I don't know why, but it's just like ever since I got on that clear, it's like it does something to me. You know what I'm saying? So I love Don Julio. That's my favorite alcoholic drink. And non-alcoholic, I love juice. Like my favorite juice is the Everfresh cranberry or Snapple apple. So it's out of those. Them was my favorite juices, my favorite drinks. So those are my favorite drinks. The next question is, what's your top 3 favorite ice creams? Butter pecan, cookies and cream, butter pecan, cookies and cream, and vanilla. Like, just them 3, like, and I'll be happy. You ain't gotta bring me no other type of ice cream. If they don't have those 3, don't bring me no ice cream. Don't bring me no ice cream. The next question is, what is an embarrassing story you can tell? Okay, y'all, so something embarrassing that happened to me. I find this funny though. Like, it was embarrassing. It was, but now it's funny. Like, I laugh about it now. But when it happened, it was super, super embarrassing. So my most embarrassing, one of my most embarrassing moments was I was having sex, y'all, and I bent over. You know, like bent over like that, and I don't know who the hell I thought I was. Do you know how them girls be going like all the way in between their legs? Like, I don't know, for some reason that night I was on it, and my ass, I thought I was one of them girls, and I tried to put my head, well, I did, I put my head like in between my legs, but me not thinking like, bitch, your wig gonna fall off. Like, don't do that, your wig gonna fall off. Like, God, don't do that, your wig gonna fall off. Me, I'm trying to be sexy. I flipped down and my wig came off, y'all, while we was having sex, y'all. And the dude, he didn't care, he started laughing himself. Y'all, that was super embarrassing. And then, like, me and him, we was just like still freshly, you know, still fresh. So I was so embarrassed, but I was just like, oh well. The next question is my dream vacation. Oh my God, y'all, my dream vacation. And my dream vacation is simple. My dream vacation, I just want to go to either the Bahamas or Jamaica. It say, what is your biggest regret in life? I can't regret what I did, but definitely one thing I will change is school, y'all. I wish I would have stayed my ass in school. Not saying I'm a dropout or anything, but just saying, like, I wish I would have stayed in my books. Like, my 9th grade year, I skipped literally like damn near the whole school year. My 11th grade year and 12th grade year, same thing. So I was just kind of like over high school. I was kind of over school, but I really wish I would have stayed in school. Like I really wish I would have been like more involved in my schooling, y'all. Okay, so I guess you could say I regret not doing right in school, since y'all, cause some of y'all gonna be like, that's what you regret then. But yeah, I wish I would have just did my schooling different. So the next question said, at what age did I start wearing makeup? I got into makeup my 9th grade year, so that's when I started wearing makeup. I was just doing like eyebrows and eyeshadow. I was just doing that at first. And then I got into doing eyebrows, eyeshadow, and eyelashes. And then like my 11th grade year and my 12th grade year, I got into like doing a full face. The next question said, what would you tell your 13-year-old self? I would have told my 13-year-old self not to talk to that nigga. And that's just that on there. That's all I got to say about that. Like, my life would have turned out way different if I wouldn't talk to that nigga. But that's what I would have told my 13-year-old self. Like, baby, he's too old for you. That's what I'm talking about. The next one says, which hand do you write with? I am a lefty, as y'all can see. I am left-handed, and motherfuckers be like, oh, it's something wrong with you. No, bitch, something wrong with you, because you ain't left-handed. It's not shit wrong with me. Everything is wrong with you. It says, which tattoo is your most painful tattoo? See, it's hard because I gotta think about like each tattoo I done got. Y'all really want to do eyeliner, but I can't find my eyeliner. Like, I don't know. And this one is dried out. I kind of like my thigh. Like, one of these tattoos, I can't remember which one, but like one of these tattoos on my thigh was just like killing me. Like, I had that nigga by his shirt like that, like, because somebody was sitting on the side of me, so I had that nigga by his shirt. I was like, whoo, shit. One of these tattoos, I don't know which one, but that was my most painful tattoo. Like, I couldn't deal with that shit no more. I was like, I was like, I need a break. And usually I don't never tap, y'all. I just like take the pain and just get it over with. But this time, I had to tap. I needed a break. But yeah, it was one of these tattoos on my thigh. The next question said, did you ever have braces? These teeth that y'all see right now, baby, this did not happen overnight. Like, baby, it took some braces and some years to get this mouth right. Like, y'all, my teeth was a mess. So yes, I did. Yes, I did used to have braces. So yes, I am grateful for my braces, baby, and what they did to me. And what they did for me. What did you want to be when you was younger? When I was younger, I wanted to be a lawyer. The next question said, if you had to change your name, what would you change it to? So I would not change anything about my name. My name is who I am. My mom blessed me with that name. I love my name. I wouldn't change it. When I was young, I used to say I was gonna change my name to Beyonce, but I'm not doing that. That was just because I really love Beyonce. And when I was younger, I used to just want to be her. I just thought I was Beyonce, like, for real. So I wanted to change my name to Beyonce. But no, I wouldn't change my name or nothing about my name. It's who I am. Say, what is one responsibility you wish you never had? Bills. I wish I never had a bill. Never had to pay a bill. I wish I never ever had to pay a bill. No. They say, if you can time travel, would you go to the future or the past? I would definitely go to my future. Please, future me. Please. Okay? Plus to say, how did you and your best friend meet? So, a lot of y'all know my best friend is Kayla, and we met at Whataburger, y'all. I was working at Whataburger. I met her when I was 16. So I've been on my best friend since I was 16. So we met at Whataburger. And like from the day we started talking, we just clicked. Like, and we just been cool ever since after that day. That's been my bitch. My camera died. So I had to finish recording on my phone because y'all, I really don't know where my charger is for my camera. Like, invent a word and tell us the meaning of it. So I already have a word, and my word is Moguka Haven. And those that know, and those that don't, then y'all just shit out of luck, because I can't tell you what it means. It's, you know, but just know, if you know what Moguka Haven is, if you've ever been to Moguka Haven, it's beautiful. It's fun. Moguka Haven is fun, beautiful, exciting. That's what it means. They say describe yourself using one word. Sweet. Like, I'm sweet as hell. I'm like the sweetest thing you can ever meet. It says, who was your crush as a kid? I can't tell y'all, because my crush as a kid is still my crush. So, but if y'all was reading between the lines, then y'all already know who my crush is as a kid. What is one thing you'll do if you woke up as the opposite sex? So if I woke up as a man, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'll be a hoe. Like, I'm fucking, because I want to see what the hell. Like, I'm curious, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm curious to see, like, what do it feel like? Like, what do it feel like down there? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm curious to see what they be feeling. Something in your internet history that you would be embarrassed if somebody saw. Nothing, because I delete that history every time. All time, delete. It say, have you ever farted in a public place? Yes, all the time. Like, I will fart and then walk off. Like, I think we all do that. All the questions that I had, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down more videos that y'all want me to do, that y'all want to see. And also be on the lookout for my giveaway, y'all, because it's coming. I'm going to be putting it up, so be on the lookout. Go follow me on all my social media, y'all. Like and comment on this video, and I'm going to see y'all next.
Porsche right. I don't need no ice.
Trey Tracks, I think we got one.
It's trap season, bro.